Face-off over centre's fund allocation refuses to die down, with India bloc racing the heat on the centre. Top leaders of Karnataka government are set to stage a protest today in Delhi's Jantar Mantar. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar are set to lead the agitation. Karnataka Congress has upped the ante against the centre over injustice in devolution of taxes and allocation of funds. It also accused the centre of withholding a legitimate tax and GST dues from non-BJP states. Karnataka government has accused the centre of not releasing funds to the state and also said that Nirmala Sitharaman was not ready for talks. Currently, BJP MPs are also holding a counter-protest outside the parliament in Delhi, raising slogans and placards. On the other hand, as another counter, BJP led by the state president and LOP will protest in Vidhan Sauda in Bengaluru against the Congress party.
ಚಳುವಳಿ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಚಳುವಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ರಾಜಕೀಯೇತರ ಚಳುವಳಿ. ಇದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹಿತವನ್ನ ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರ ಹಿತವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚಳುವಳಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನಮಗೆ ತೆರಿಗೆ ಹಂಚಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
The Honorable Home Minister has assured we will release the money. The Honorable Chief Minister met 1 month back. Till today, they have not released the money. It is inevitable that we have to urge upon the government of India to release the funds which is legally to release for the Karnataka. In any state, that situation has happened. It is the bounded duty of the government of India to release the money. After getting the report, till today you have not released the money. For that purpose, we are urged upon the government, we are protest the government. We have made all efforts to get the money, but we could not get the money. Then ultimately, this is the last resort, we have to protest.
Every year, around 4,50,000 tax will be collected by central government from our state, but we are getting just 50,000. And this year, out of 236 taluks, 220 taluks are declared as drought. Till now, not even a single rupee released for Karnataka. This shows the partiality of central government towards Karnataka. And Chief Minister and other ministers, they came to Delhi, they met Prime Minister, Home Minister and other ministers long back. But this central government is deaf and dumb. They can't hear and they can't speak and they are not helping Karnataka.